Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Capricorn. We are picking few cards. So first for your general energies, then for your relationship, then for your career situation, guys. So this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. And I have of the fairy tale pick a card love reading coming right after this general energy. So if you are interested to watch that, you can watch that reading, guys. So let's start with the general reading first. We have Ace of Wands, Nine of Swords, and Five of Swords. So Capricorn, in your situation, guys, there is some kind of a new beginning in your career or in your personal life, guys. So this new beginning in your career, it may be using your skills and talents, and a lot of your concentration and efforts are needed to move in a positive way today in your career. So you are working really hard and you are quite stressed and worried because it is using all your time and energy to uh, work for this career choice or that new beginning. Or if it is in your personal life, if it is a new person in your love, in your life today, guys, you are making lot of efforts to understand this person or to keep up with them. So some kind of difficulties or stress because of that, guys. And I also see that in your career there are people quite jealous of you, envious. They are there ready to grab your opportunities, waiting for the right time. So you need to be careful, Capricorn. So if you have people uh, you feel you cannot trust, you need to be really careful with them, guys, Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. And there are what to say, few circumstances which are not up to your expectations, so some kind of disappointments may be there. It may be in your career or again in your personal life. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So we have Seven of Cups. So with this card for your relationship, you may be dreaming happiness or that future with this person you love. So if it is a new person, you are dreaming with them, building your future with them, and you are wishing for things to go according to your dreams or fantasies, whatever you have for this love, for this connection, or for this person, guys. And maybe if you want those dreams to manifest, you need to make those efforts necessary, guys. That is what I see with this card. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. So we have 10 of Wands. So you have a lot of responsibilities, Capricorn, in your career. So you are shouldering great burdens. Maybe for some of you, you are the team leader or you are in an important position making some important decisions. So you are very responsible person. You deal with your situation with a certain what to say, that rigidity. You have a way of doing things that again people in your work, they may see you as a very stubborn, rigid person, not willing to listen to them, but you are doing things in a right way, but it may be quite difficult for the people with you to make efforts like you, make those 100% efforts like you. So some kind of stress and worries because of that, guys, Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. If you are interested to watch the fairy tale pick a card love reading, stay tuned. That is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today's reading is going to be different. It's going to be like a fairy story. So, whatever your situation is, you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card for the first reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So let's see what is your fairy story. It's brother and sister transformation. So with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, it just means that whatever knowledge or wisdom that we have in our situation, and whatever likes or dislikes or instincts that we have, so all that must work in harmony if we want a peaceful life. And in our situations, maybe some things are pointing us towards something in our life, in it may be in our relationship or it may be in our day to day life. There are some warning signs you are seeing. You need to be really careful, guys. If you are maybe if you have people telling you something, suggesting you something, or you yourself are having some instincts about something or intuition about something, you need to listen to it. If you do not do that, there will be some consequences and you will have to live with those consequences, guys. So today you should not fear the people who are envious of you, jealous of you. You need to move forward in life, have that positive outlook, listen to people who are suggesting you something. So there is someone suggesting you, it may be your sibling, sister, or a brother, telling you something, you need to listen to it. So that way you will be able to overcome any difficulties in your situation, guys. And this story, the story with this card, is about the balance that we need to maintain, guys, in our life. So we should not go for that instant gratification. So things are tempting us all along in life. There are so many circumstances tempting us, but we should have that strong will in our heart. We should always lean towards good life, guys. So in order to lead a good life, we should not take up something, we should not go for that instant gratification in our situation. So that is what will work against us. So we need to think through what needs to be done today, and our actions should not affect the people who are with us. So we should think about that also in our situation, guys. So for that harmony and balance, to find that harmony and balance in our situation, we should take life in a simpler way, learn to live life simply by leaning towards the good things, maybe good behavior, good habits, good words, and we should care for people, maybe younger people in our life, maybe our younger siblings, brother or sister, And this card has a strong, what to say, that bonding between brothers and sisters. So maybe in your situation, guys, you have your brother or sister helping you, suggesting you something. You need to listen to it, guys. That is what I see with this card, and that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, this is your story. I hope it resonates. If it does, please like and comment, guys. So now let's start with the second card. So we will keep this aside. So this is your second card. We have the white snake. Understanding. So that is the card. Such a beautiful card here. So this card just means that all our sacrifices are will be rewarded for sure, and good work or good behavior or goodness in us is always rewarded, and our courage is always rewarded. So no need to put up excuses when we are confronted with truth, guys. So we cannot make any excuses to escape from some truth in our situation. So something has come up in your life, uh, maybe some experience. People may seem distant, unemotional, or lacking in warmth towards you. But if you continue to do the right things, be good and be in your goodness, or not change by the way people are treating you or by the way your circumstances are going. If you continue to be yourself, to be that good person, there will be a breakthrough moment, guys. So there is also a time, a turning point happening in your relationship. So this person will understand, will come to understand what you have done for them, what you have done for this love, and what you are worth. So you will be able to change people's life, help them to heal, and help them to heal in this situation, guys. Maybe they are hurt, they have some negative past, or some past memories are hurting them, or maybe for some of you it may be your present situation. You are they are hurt by how things are going today, but you need to understand that you have the power to heal with your goodness, guys. And by showing that true love and true goodness you have in your heart, you are going to heal your situation and heal this person you love, guys. So that is the story with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.